Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Simple Green Pro HD Purple Concentrated Cleaner. Simple Green Pro HD Heavy Duty Cleaner is a professional grade cleaner and degreaser that breaks down tough grease, eliminates grime, and removes stains on a wide variety of surfaces including engines, car exteriors, machinery, floors, walls, and more. It is non-corrosive to metals, non-degrading to plastics, and clean rinsing. Pro HD is heavy duty enough to maintain landscaping equipment and heavy machinery, but gentle enough for use on stove tops, ovens, grills, range hoods, vents, BBQs, refrigerators, and more. The cost-effective concentrate can be custom diluted for specific cleaning jobs, and can be used in pressure washers, carpet cleaners, floor scrubbers, ultrasonics, dip tanks, and other cleaning equipment. The water-based cleaner provides a safer alternative to solvents and other harsh cleaning chemicals without sacrificing performance. Number 2 in this best garage floor cleaner list is Oil Eater Original Cleaner. If rust stains are presenting a bigger challenge than oil or grease, try use Oil Eater Rust Remover for concrete. With as many as 3 times the active ingredients of other cleaners, Oil Eater Cleaner and Degreaser offers a powerful yet safe formula to lift dirt and grease. Suitable for both industrial and home use, this product has no harsh solvents and is non-corrosive and biodegradable. This concentrated liquid cleaner can be used in a power washer. It works on most stains in minutes with no scrubbing required. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Simple Green 13,005 Count Industrial Cleaner. The trusted formula is non-toxic, abrasive and non-corrosive. Safe for all washable surfaces, industrial cleaner and degreaser can be used to remove heavy dirt, grease, food residue and stains from any washable surface including countertops, sinks, tile, carpet, flooring, upholstery and more. Powerful, all-purpose cleaner and degreaser provides a safer alternative to toxic cleaners, bleaches and solvents. The cost-effective concentrate can be used manually or in cleaning equipment such as floor scrubbers, dip tanks, carpet extractors, pressure washers, parts washers, steam extractors and foamers. It easily cuts through tough grease, oils, cutting fluids, built-up grime and residue on equipment, engines, machinery, vehicles and manufactured parts, making it ideal for a wide range of industries including janitorial, manufacturing, MRO, food processing, mining, automotive, transportation and engineering. Fourth pick in our best garage floor cleaner list is Aunt Fanny's Floor Cleaner. For those who want to prepare their concrete for staining or sealing while cleaning, Aunt Fanny's Floor Cleaner gets both jobs done. People-friendly, pet-friendly, wellness-inspired home care, for healthier house cleaning. Safely mop your floors clean with this concentrated all-natural floor cleaner that breaks down dirt, food, grease and grime. Vinegar dissipates naturally, leaving a neutral scent that comes alive with our 100% essential oil blends. EWG rated earns the top safety rating from Environmental Working Group. Intended for use on sealed floors including hardwood, tile, concrete, linoleum, bamboo, vinyl, laminate and more. Grabs even tough dirt and grime without harsh chemicals. Tackles the greasy, grimy, sticky and icky, with vinegar, essential oils, and plant-based cleaners. Floors shine without buildup. Get your floors clean enough to eat off of, seriously. Safe as DIY but works a lot harder. Sparkle all over with zero harsh chemicals. Last in this list is Rust-Oleum Degreaser and Edge. For a safe and eco-friendly concrete cleaner, try Rust-Oleum Concrete Cleaner. This product uses a process known as bioremediation to clean oil and protein-based stains. This means that microorganisms work to break down and consume stains. Rust-Oleum Quick Prep 3-in-1 for concrete combines the 3 most important steps of preparation for concrete coating projects. Ready-to-use cleaner, degreaser, and etcher is safe near grass and prepares bare concrete areas including garage floors, concrete driveways, carports, patios, walkways and pool decks. Allow to dry for 24 hours before staining, sealing or coating and work in 10 feet by 10 feet sections for best results. From Bin, Zinsser, Concrobium, Crud Cutter, Wollman, Verathane and much more, our products work great all around the home.